Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Nearpod in a very easy way. I know that a lot of educators use Nearpod to create creative lessons, and I love Nearpod because it has thousands of resources that you guys can use and implement very easily. So I'm not gonna go in depth, I'm just gonna show you how I use it to create creative, simple activities in my classroom, and it honestly takes me only 10 minutes to prepare for it. So let's get started. First of all, we go to www.nearpod.com. We sign up for free. Write your first name, last name, school email, or whatever email you have, password. Make sure you're not a robot. Agree to the terms and conditions, and here we are, sign up. Choose your role as a teacher. There's a lesson preview on how Nearpod works. You can watch it if you want, if you have the time. I never watched any of these, but it would give you a little insight on how to use it. All right, so let's create our lesson. Press on create lesson, add slide. Now, while you are preparing for the lesson, it will look like you're adding different slides, but for learners, they will not see it as such. They're just gonna see as if it's an activity made up of many pages. All they have to do is just like flip through the pages so that they can complete the activity. So as you can see here, you have so many different options you can use to create this activity. You can use open-ended questions, collaborate boards, matching pairs, flipgrid, and so much more. What we are going to do today is three things. We are going to use a video, actually, not create one. We're going to use the collaborate board and the flipgrid. You have many ways to use videos here. You can choose a video from YouTube. So let's say our topic today is about empathy. You can just press on YouTube and search the word empathy to see videos related to this topic. What we will do here is we are going to choose a video from the library. We're gonna choose what is empathy. So this is our video. You can actually trim this video to make it shorter. You can change the speed of the video to normal, slow, fast. And then after you choose it, you save it. Add another slide, and we are going to choose collaborate board. I honestly love this board because my learners really enjoy collaborating together and writing their ideas all at the same time in the same place. You can choose the style that you want. We're gonna choose this one. We're gonna write empathy in the title. You can add a picture and enter a description. Usually in the description, you just write what the task is about. What do you want kids to do? Option 1, we're gonna write, tell us a story about a time you showed empathy in your life using this collaborate board. Why option 1? Because I'm gonna leave slide 3 to be option 2. In this way, we are making sure that there's differentiation in this activity. You'll see how later. You press on save and then add another slide. This time we are going to choose flipgrid. I'm not gonna go in depth or into how we sign up for flipgrid. This is going to be another video, hopefully next time. I'm just gonna tell you that flipgrid it is actually a great tool to use with learners for them to discuss ideas together by recording themselves. All right, before I show you how we are gonna create an activity on flipgrid, let's just have a little preview to see how would the students see this activity. And this is the first slide. Then you press on next, you will see the collaborate board. Now in this collaborate board, your students are going to write down where it says share your thoughts or images here. They can write their responses, or even they can add images. Sometimes you might notice that you're not going to see the names of your students on this sticky note. Make sure you change this option in lesson settings so that your students' names will be visible. Just in case you missed this, you can ask them to write their names before they write the comment, because it really happens with me every time. Every time I plan a lesson and then the kids are working, I realize that, oops, I forgot to change the option, and then I just ask them to write their names before they write their answers. All right, so as you see here in Flipgrid, I wrote the title, empathy, and I wrote the description, record yourself telling a story about a time you showed empathy. All they have to do is record a response, post it there, and then they can have a discussion. If somebody wants to reply to the other person, they can record another response and send it to them. If you are really interested in knowing more about how to use Flipgrid, stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to be talking about that in particular. All right, so now you press on save and exit. You write a title for your lesson, and then you write a small description about the task. We can write, in today's lesson we are going to learn about empathy, and to start with you will watch a video about it. All right, you just made your first lesson. Woohoo! To share this with our learners, this is the easiest part. You can pick if you want it to be a live participation. If you're doing it together online, you can just press on live participation. But if you choose it to be student-paced and you want your learners to take their time to work on it for a couple of days, make sure to enable your collaborate board, because in this option collaborate boards are disabled. So you need to go to the settings and you need to change that option. Whatever you choose, whether student-paced or live participation, you will get this code. Just copy it and send it to the learners, and send them the link of the simple link, www.nearpod.com. They will join as students, and for them to join, they just need to write the code and they will have the activity in front of them. Now be careful. If you edit the activity, because I'm sure there are a lot of people like me, I edit the activities that I create thousands of times per day. So if you decide to change the activity or edit it, make sure you send the new code to the learners, because once you press on edit, a new code will be generated and they will not be able to access Nearpod using the old code. So you need to generate a new code. It will be automatically generated and you can send it to the learners so that they can access the activity again. If you are curious to know what will it look like from a student's perspective, you can always go to the left side of your screen. Top left, there's join a lesson. All you have to do is just put the code and then write your names, and you can join and just contribute to this activity. So that was it. I just wanted to show you how you can use Nearpod in a very easy way. I know there are lots of videos out there and they go in depth. It's like a 30 to 40 minutes video on how to use it and what resources you can use and like creating big lessons. But honestly, I just wanted to show you how you can use it in a very simple way. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned one or two things from it. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and share this video with all of the people that you think they will benefit from it. Thank you.